when you founding the quartz like this, you don't need a lot of quartz from that area. You're just taking, let's say, one of those, okay, to check for gold. One of those, okay. Main thing, they have brown lines. That is main thing. And actually that is enough to do the test. Two, maybe a little bit over here. And those tiny ones, I always love it because they normally have a gold. Looks like empty, but those brown ones like this, so for testing it's enough, okay. And then you know that you took it every line, one line, two lines, three lines. I took from every one little some samples, and I be crushing and looking in microscope, and then we will see do we have gold or not. If we have gold, then I come here back, collect all those rocks, okay, then I be properly looking. But right now it's just one place, because if the gold is in this place, all this line is maybe mile long, is going far, so that way we're looking for those kind of gold pieces. Okay, you don't need to take everything, because if maybe nothing there, then you need to think about what to do with that rock what you took it, throw it somewhere, okay. But if you have a samples, you found a gold, then you know what to do with this gold, with these rocks, okay. So I leave it this one for next time, or maybe this one brown one, take it. That's it. And don't be greedy. But I didn't see too much brown, so they may be empty, but who knows. Sometimes you found in gold where you don't even expect it, okay. And I be going little bit higher. Here's a lot of quartz veins, like every few feet is quartz veins, and quartz everywhere, but I don't collect them. I'm looking for veins, okay. Veins, the main thing what we need to look at for, like over here, see, this is a vein. If you found a gold here, you need to come and take more stuff. If you don't found the gold, so no point collecting. And like right now, 1, 2, 3 layers. Try to split it and look in microscope what is in that brown stuff, okay. If you have a gold, you will see it, and they split very well in the lines. See, there's some kind of fluids was flowing, but do we have gold fluids here? They are dark brown, but here light brown, so I don't think there is a gold, okay, because just dark brown. I'm interested in this white one, but normally I don't found in gold. I'm just taking some samples, try to get some dark ones and check. Okay. See, this is all light color, no brown, so that means I don't think so that we have gold. No, this is nice. Let's take a few. Okay. Don't need a lot. A what we take next time when we found the gold. First our business is to find the gold, and then we come and take a little bit more exactly from that place where you found the gold. We'll be looking what we have over there. Quartz everywhere here, but they on the surface nobody collects, means maybe there's no gold. It's like very easy to figure out. Nobody takes, it means no gold. Like here too, see? They're on. Let's see, this is a lot of browns. Take later. Those brown ones. Gold is dark brown. I need to look in microscope to see if they see the gold that I'm looking in brown places with the light. If shines like gold, it means gold. If not, throw it in the trash can and go get another one. How dirty looking. Those dirty looking sometimes have a gold, guys. So I'm taking samples. 2 rocks. That'd be enough. Okay. I collect those rocks next to the lake, and there's another place collected. And here, everything I did test, you know what? I don't found no single speck gold in these rocks. So now I be throwing them on my road. So we need gravel on my road. So that is be at least good stuff for my road. And right now I want to show you how rich gold ore looks like. This is, I still have like one bucket. So I cut little piece and I show you how much gold is in this little piece. All those is useless rocks. I just don't know. I just try to find something, but I don't even show you tests because every single test was negative, no gold. And I want to cut little piece of this rock and show you how little amount of rock you need to figure out do you have gold or not. So right now I cut little piece of this rock and crush it, and everything you will see by yourself how everything when the rock contains gold, how it looks like. When you do panning, then do chemical analysis. That way not all the quartz have a gold. This looks like big pieces, but they look, when you break it, is nothing inside, it's empty. The same here. Yesterday collected, I saw the next to the lake and everything. I cut little piece, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. So now I get lost the patience and I throw those rocks. It's no point work where no gold. No wonder why those rocks, quartz, all on surface and nobody collects them, because they don't have gold. Okay, so let's show you what this one, how this works. I took it, one little piece of this rock. You see how it's ugly looking. It's nothing, not even promising that they have gold. But look what's happened when I crush it and pan it, that rock, okay? And just how little piece I taking. It's just like my finger size, okay? So let me crush this rock. It's still big pieces. I need to crush as possible smaller, okay? Because gold is microscopic always, and when you don't crush properly, then you lose a lot of gold, because every single piece, what this one bigger piece, still contains a gold, because gold is microscopic, okay? And I be crushing everything to dust, okay? but we'll be using different tools. And I don't want to lose nothing in here. Not even dust I don't want to lose it. So I'll be using to pan different kind of tools. I put a safety pan in. Okay, and I'll be panning right now to show you how much gold you can get from one little piece. Okay, and I need all this dust to be saved. If there is a gold, like I always say, you will see right away that gold. Okay, and look. Okay, look. Okay. Those pieces is our gold from that little piece. And that is not everything. That gold is still in that dust. And still in this rocks is the gold too. So this is why I say, if you have a gold, you crush little piece of rock like I did in those rocks. I just take little piece and crush it because that's easy, and I pan it. If I didn't see the gold, that means then no gold. Okay, and if there is a gold, you right away see. Okay, and now I can do not even test chemical analysis. You will see gold is in this place. I transferred that little amount of gold in the beaker. Okay, small beakers. I use small beakers for do the test because you don't need to waste a lot of stuff, chemicals and everything to figure out what you have. So now I'm adding 2-3 drops, 1-2-3 drops for nitrate, sodium nitrite, nitrate, not nitrite, and adding hydrochloric acid. Okay, and look what's happening right away. Reaction, boiling. Okay, solution is nice color, and we putting little bit on the heat to make reaction faster. See, everything bubbling, everything works. Something on the surface jumping up and down. Okay, let him work. To prove that the dust contains a gold, I save this dust and transfer to the beaker. Okay, everything. Yeah. Okay, all the sand and everything transferred to the beaker. And you see that dust what we normally panning off still contains a gold. Okay, so all this stuff transferring to the beaker. So after all my experiments with those rocks, I decided to go to the place, take 1-inch size rock, and that's it. Do the test. If you don't see nothing in that rock, it's no point grabbing and collecting those rocks because they're no gold. If there is a gold 1 inch of rock, tells you everything. Okay, and gold is always microscopic sizes mostly. So, and you know how the gold was long time ago like water. I don't see nothing, so let's see. Okay, now everything transfer here. And here maybe we put not nitrate, or maybe nitrate. Let's do the nitrate, but it's a little bit more. Okay, mix it. And now we're adding hydrochloric acid. Oh my goodness, almost ran away. So you see this reaction right now, gold is dissolving. Need to lower, too hot. And the same thing we be doing over here. Adding here, all both. And you see it was red and now it's like yellow, light yellow. So till this nitrate is there, is be dark red. When it's be gone, become very nice yellow color. Okay, reaction on that dust what we used to throw away. The full of gold. Okay, you look, color change was red yellow, now became a really gold color, and they're still bubbling, so let's keep it for a while. Okay, so my everything still working, still bubbles coming up, and I did see still I have little dust. I want to see, can I see the gold in this dust, because I don't see nothing here. So, but I know that microscopic gold is so small, I barely can see. So I take a little beaker and try to just quick experiment with this micro gold, okay, in this beaker. Okay, take that dust, which one left from that big one. I sometimes, I just want to see, because need to understand one thing. Chemical analysis is important, because that way you know that you have a gold in the, because gold is microscopic mostly times, and the nuggets on little bigger pieces is so rare. And when you have a gold, you can see that gold right away. Okay, little. Right now I don't see nothing. I look in microscope, not even in that dust. I don't see nothing, so I want to see, can I, this is water, can I get the gold? So for this reason I'm using nitrate, sodium nitrate, very little, like 2 drops, 1, 2, enough. And adding hydrochloric acid. 2-3, about 2-3 milliliters, and look right away what we have. Let's put on the heat to make faster. And what we have, there's some kind of dust, bubbles coming, so means we have something inside. Let's work on that. Okay, and that big one. Need to wait till bubble stops coming. When bubble stops coming, it means reaction is done, or no more gold, or no more chemicals. One thing. Okay. Because this one was put it just now, it's still bubbles coming. So let him work. And this was that first one, remember? Transfer all those little nuggets, whatever there. And right now, let's say it's done. Let's put urea. Urea, I need to close everything because normally spills. Okay. Urea is not dangerous, guys, whatever. It's fertilizer for my grass. Okay, putting urea right now. I have empty bottle, I need to transfer everything from here. Let me put it away. I put urea, and now look what's happening. Okay, I just put little bit. And let's do the Steiner's chloride test. This is our gold. You see? See right away, black, purple. When you have gold, you have gold. Okay, now I can put the rest. The same thing as everything just goes black. And then wait for like 2-3 hours, everything gold settles down on the bottom, like in this beaker. You see in the bottom there? And there's some kind of overflow. Okay, so now remember that little beaker what we just put the dust. I want to put urea, okay, to kill the nitric. That was just dust. You saw the last video, not video, this last what I was putting in. I put urea, and now I adding a drop of this, and you see, oh shoot, where is that? Oh, here, it's changing color. Okay, this don't have a lot of gold, but this tint is purple. So not even that dust contains a gold. If there's no gold, then nothing there. There is gold, you see right away, like not even here. Let's say transfer from this beaker to that one where the very little amount of this gold, everything becomes purple, you see? And I'm putting everything in one, let him settle down, and later on I collect that gold and recover that gold, smelt it. So now let's see this dust, this is big amount of dust. So let's transfer to the bigger beaker. Bigger. Okay. Putting in separate beaker, I don't want that sand. Putting urea. Kill the nitric, whatever left. There is a lot of nitric, looks like. Okay. Okay, let him finish. Okay. And that dust, remember I say there's no more gold, but when you panic, you're losing that. So look what's happened now. I adding, look how much is there. That was just the dust. Okay, guys? They're full of gold. So what this says, if you have gold in the rocks, so you don't need a lot of samples. You just need like maximum little piece of rock to know is gold or not. Let's say I collect those rocks and they don't have gold. So what? If I be taking little piece of rock and see, I be seeing that gold. Okay? So, and this nitrite is so good, powerful stuff. And I think I be making some samples, going to the field, and I do the same thing to test right away in the field. No need to take home, no need to nothing. You can do this in few minutes. You just need to heat some kind of, and that's it. And this one problem, this nitrite is not dissolving all the gold. So right now, look, here is almost done. I adding hydrochloric acid again 6 milliliters, maybe more. And I adding nitrate, and reaction starts over and be dissolving not even more gold. You need to wash the pipettes. Always use clean pipette. You can take not even this reaction goes in right away. Okay, we getting red color. Which one dissolves that gold? Okay, running away. And put in the heat. Let him work. There is a lot of gold still, but nitrate is just for testing. It's very good for testing, but nothing else. Okay, and here our gold. Look, it's on the bottom. You see the bottom? When you look in sun, little bit amount of gold is on the bottom already. So when this become clear like this, you will see the gold on the bottom, and then you redissolve and do how say it, SMB, and recover the gold. Here the same thing. It looks like it's black, but the gold is very little on the bottom. Barely you can see it. The sun helps me see everything. Because see on the bottom black stuff is the gold. Okay, so this is one more time I put nitrate, sodium nitrate, and let's see, do we have extra gold in that? Because normally nitrate don't dissolve all the gold, it's just for testing. It's very good for testing, but it's not good for dissolving gold. Urea need to kill. Urea. Because if you don't kill the nitrate, nitric, you get false results. And so, okay, let's see. I see still have gold. It's purple. So nitrate is good just for testing, guys. It's not good for dissolving gold because it works very fast, very strong, and if there is more gold, you still can't recover all the gold with that nitrate. So nitrate is just for testing. Use the test, and for the testing it's very good to see the gold. It's very sensitive, very fast, and you right away see the gold. But you see, it's not dissolving all the gold. You right now you want to dissolve this gold, you need to put little bit more stronger stuff. Okay, so I wish you understand what I want to say. And okay, right now I be throwing all those rocks on the road because they are empty. Scaffing with the rocks. If they empty, they go on the road, because when rain comes, they washing my road, so that way I fixing at least something. So if those quartz don't have gold, their places on the road. Okay, rest of this gravel I need to crush it till everything passes the 100 mesh screen. What this one? Okay, I'm using this tool to crush that rocks because it takes for a long time to recover all the gold. So I want to crush it, and then we just dissolve everything in aqua here, and we'll see how much gold more we get it. And that is very little piece of like my finger, remember? Finish crushing. I think that'll be enough. Okay, everything almost passed. The two specks, if they be gone, who cares? You see how it gets spoiled very fast, and you have a lot of rocks with gold. And I right now not collecting dust. I just try to see first, and there is not so much gold, so it's okay. Let's see, do we have something here? See, dust comes out. Gold, if there is gold, stays. Yeah, see? Okay, you see? That is our goal. And the sun is shines too. Look, it's very little amount to compare with the finger. Look, very little pieces, but still gold. So sorry, my zoomers, I always forget. This is new camera. Always have problems with the zooming. What to do? Slowly I get it. Okay, so the very little amount of gold I right now be dissolving with nitrite, sodium nitrite, and you see it's right now it's clear water, and let them heat on the heat, putting on the heat and wait for a few minutes. Like you see, everything is dissolved, nothing left on the bottom. So now I transferring to the different beaker, test tube. Okay, adding urea. You see, urea added, and still need a little bit more. And then we can add stannous chloride, and you look what's happening. Everything black. That's it. All gold precipitated. So let's see. It's black, and a little bit mix it. Okay, let him settle down. Look what's happened with the in the beginning. Look on the bottom, you see the gold already precipitated, falling down on the bottom. So later on I redissolve and get with SMB that gold back, and then we smelt it. Okay guys, I think I did too much today, and maybe something interesting for you, but somebody learned something. It's good. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.